Hi, I'm Nikki from Fine & Country and I'm here today at this stunning private barn conversion situated just on the outskirts of the delightful village of Harbury. Harbury Fields Barn is situated in just under 22 acres of pasture land, making it the most perfect equestrian base. The property offers around 3,500 square foot of living accommodation, including 5 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms and a separate study. To the first floor are 4 generous bedrooms, a family bathroom and 2 ensuite bathrooms. The master bedroom benefits a spacious dressing room. In the yard, there is a generous 2,700 square feet barn with 3-phase electric and roller shutter doors. The local countryside village of Harbury offers many amenities as well as pubs, being just a short 20-minute countryside stroll away from the property. You join me at the end of the tour in the equestrian facilities. There are 9 stables, a tack room and a feed room, and also benefiting a 20 by 40 manege. If you would like any more information on this property, please get in touch with the details that follow.